Hello students, so this is question from Dirac delta function, and the question is like this, in which some function is given gx, and how we handle it is summation I del x minus xi upon mod of g dash xi, where xi are the roots. So in this case x square is minus y square is 0 and x is equal to y and minus y are the xi's. So I can write delta x square minus y square is equal to 1 by 2y, which is the derivative of this, and by taking mod 1 by 2y delta x plus y plus delta x minus y. Now check the limits. Limit of x is from 0 to 5, and limit of y is, I will make by this 1 to e. Okay, so here x is equal to minus y is going on left side, there we don't have any delta function, so there the value is 0. So this will be just 1 by 2y delta x minus y. So put this will become 1 to e dy, and 2y will come outside, and log x is equal to y means y square by 2y will be like this, and integral 0 to 5 delta x minus y dx, this part will become 1. Because if x is equal to y, then it will be well inside this delta function, somewhere inside the delta function, so this answer will become 1. So now what I have to do is, I have to only integrate this much. Let's solve this. 1 to e log of y square by 2y dy. Only this much is to be solved. So if I take this as t, so if you take this as t, log of y square by 2y, so dt will be 1 by 2y dy. Okay, so take this as t, take y square, take log of y is equal to t, log of y square will become 2 log y, na? And 2 and 2 will cancel. So log of y is equal to t, so 1 by y dy will be equal to dt. Okay, so this will become integration t dt, that is t square by 2, and t is log y, so log y square by 2. Now put the value, log e is 1, and 1 log 1 is 0, so answer is half. So this half is the answer. So remember this formula. This can be very, very important in the situations where you have a function inside the delta function. Okay, thank you.